Hello, welcome to the session on LoRa communication technology. We learned that cellular technology is good for long-range Internet of Things connectivity. Expenses and power consumption are challenges in cellular technologies. So what is a promising solution to overcome these challenges? So the promising solution is LPWAN technologies. So what is LPWAN technology? LPWAN means a low power wide area network or low power network. This technology is designed to allow long range communications at a low bitrate among things or connected IoT objects such as sensors operated on a battery or actuators. So there are different examples. LPWAN offers multi-year battery lifetime, means the sensors can work for many years with a battery. It is designed for sensors and applications that need to send small amounts of data over long distances. It is designed to send data a few times per hour from varying environments. LPWAN technologies are very suitable for machine-to-machine communication or M2M communication. We know what is M2M. We'll learn. M2M is communication between a machine and a machine. Machine can talk to a machine. So LPWAN enables this particular machine-to-machine communication. Most used LPWAN technologies are LoRa technology, Sigfox technology, and NB-IoT technology. So in this course, we are going to learn LoRa technology, Sigfox and NB-IoT. Now we learn about LoRa technology. So what is LoRa technology? LoRa is a long range, is a spread spectrum modulation technique derived from chirp spread spectrum CSS technology. It is designed to wirelessly connect battery operated things or internet connected objects to the internet in regional, national or global networks. Means you can connect different sensors to the global networks. It is possible through LoRa technology. LoRa technology and chips are developed by Semtech Corporation. So Semtech designs and develops various LoRa modules. LoRaWAN fills the technology gap of cellular and Wi-Fi or Bluetooth based networks that require either high bandwidth or high power or have a limited range or inability to penetrate deep indoor environments. So these are the limitations of cellular or Wi-Fi technology or Bluetooth technology. But here LoRa promises to overcome all these difficulties or challenges. LoRa provides long range, low power and small bandwidth solutions. The LoRaWAN protocol leverages the unlicensed free radio spectrum in the industrial, scientific and medical band. We call it as a ISM band. So LoRa can be operated in, so generally we operate in free spectrum, all of you. No need to pay for the spectrum. Okay, so no need to pay, there are no monthly charges to operate LoRa technology. Remember this. LoRa is a non-cellular LPWAN wireless communication network protocol operating in the license-free spectrum. Other technologies that operate in free or unlicensed band are Sigfox, Ingenu and several more. But we know that NB-IoT operates on licensed frequencies. Okay, because that is relevant to actually cellular technology. LPWAN, but that is relevant to cellular technologies. So we have to pay fee to operate in that particular frequency. So NB-IoT technology is not free to operate. Remember, all of you. Accordingly, LPWANs may often be classified as licensed and licensed free also. Why LoRa is preferred for Internet of Things? Why people are using LoRa today for Internet of Things? Remember, there are many benefits in LoRa technology. Okay, first one is long range. So suppose you want to connect a sensor present in a place and there is another sensor or actuator 10 kilometers far. Now you want to connect these two. In such case, it is good to use LoRa, because LoRa sensors can transmit signals over long distances from 1 kilometer to 10 kilometers range, or even you can increase the strength of the signals by using antennas, all of you. It is possible. Nowadays there are tests, they are reaching few hundred kilometers also, believe it. And another advantage is low power. So you can use battery. So that battery operated sensors. Okay, you are powering sensors with a battery. So those batteries power can be up to 5 to 10 years. Okay, so you'll be having prolonged battery lifetime of 5 to 10 years, all of you. So that actually it is reducing the cost, because if you want to replace the battery, you have to pay money, right? So it is actually reducing the cost of replacing the battery. That is also another advantage. So another advantage is geolocation. Without GPS, you can track applications. So this offers unique low power benefits when compared with other GPS based technologies. So it enables tracking. So you can track vehicles, you can track logistics, supply chain, you can track animals, you can do lot. And then another thing is mobile. Advantage is mobile. What is mobile? So for example, there is a moving vehicle. Okay, how to track that moving vehicle? So tracking moving vehicle is very easy with LoRa technology, all of you, because without increasing the power, okay, there is no power constraint, okay, when you are dealing with the moving vehicles. So it is very easy to track moving vehicles. We can communicate directly with those moving vehicles through this LoRa technology. And another advantage is high capacity. So this LoRa technology supports millions of messages per base station. So sometimes we need to send millions of messages. So it is possible with the LoRa technology. And it is low cost, because generally capital cost will be there, but no need to have operational cost, because we are not paying for the frequency, right? So monthly no need to pay any money, because there is no need to pay for these data and all, because it is free, because it is our own network once we establish the network. That is the advantage. So LoRa technology is so helpful. Now you understood the benefits. So LoRa technology is flexible and very suitable, all of you. Remember this particular LoRa technology is suitable for rural or remote places, okay, and also indoor places. You can use LoRa for connectivity. There are long range of LoRa based IoT applications or use cases available. For example, LoRa is promising solution for smart cities, smart homes and buildings, smart agriculture, smart metering, animal tracking or pet tracking, and smart supply chain and logistics. These are all various use cases for LoRa connectivity, and we can do a lot, all of you. Thank you.